guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I have the Glitterbels new mystery boxes that they've just released a couple of days ago on their website. There are 3 of them to choose from. I believe I chose the earthy tones. This was £50, and apparently inside you are meant to get £100 worth of products. And on the picture that they showed you, it had pictures of acrylic, gel polish and glitters. So as I said, I paid £50 of my own money. I've not had anything from this company before. I thought it would be a good way to try some of their products. So yeah, this is the box that it came in. It is very heavy. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. So here is inside. I do not see any gel polishes, so well, I won't be able to see what their gel polishes are like because there aren't any. So we will put this off to one side and I will get them out one by one and show you everything I got in the box for £50. So the first and biggest thing I got is this here. It is a Glitterbels Core Powder Acrylic. I'm trying to see if it has a size written on it. Not that 56 grams. This is cashmere cover. So that is what it looks like in the pot. I will be swatching all of these. So now we'll go for the next size downs. We have got this one here, and it is a 1 ounce pot, 28 grams. This is also an acrylic and it's called Grey Smoke. Like I said, there are 3 boxes to choose from. I chose the earth tone ones just because I didn't want a load of pink basically, because they are like Valentine's Day themed, meant to be. So here we go, Grey Smoke. And ooh, another yellow. So this is another 1 ounce. This is called Banana Split. Now I did get I believe it was not polish. I got a yellow from, these are my swatches of the acrylics I've got. So that's the not polish one. So we will see what, you know, how much different it is to this one. So, ooh, this one is sparkly. Now I like sparkles. Look at that sparkle. So it will be different to the yellow that I've got, because the yellow I already own is not sparkly. So the next one we've got is another 1 ounce, and this is called Forest Green. Ooh, another sparkly one. Very nice. Then the next one we've got is also 1 ounce. This is called Gold Dust. Oh, another sparkly one. Then we have another 1 ounce. This is called Guava, if I'm saying that correctly. I do not know. And it's another sparkly one, but this is like a much lighter green than the previous green. Now I love the colour green. I'm actually wearing it, look. And my living room and my hallway is also painted green. And then the next one is also 1 ounce, and this is called Sun Kissed Orange. Whoopsie. So there's that one. Very pretty. And then the last two things we have in the box are these, which look like loose glitters. They don't have a size on that I can see. So this one is called Treasure. Very nice. And then this one is called Exotic. Very nice. So I will be swatching these, but just an overview of everything we got for £50. We got this, which I'm assuming is a 2 ounce core powder. We got not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, but 6 1 ounce acrylics. And then we also got, I'm guessing these are ½ ounce, 2 ½ ounce makes chunky glitters. And for £50, I think that is absolutely fantastic. So I'm just going to go off and swatch these. These glitters I will mix with some clear acrylic and put on a swatch stick so you can see what it looks like. And I will be back to show you them, guys. So I am back with the swatches. So the first one we had was the cashmere cover, and this is what it looks like. Super nice. It was really easy to work with. It picked up absolutely wonderful on the brush. Laid down really, really nice. And the next one we got was this 1 ounce called Grey Smoke. And here it is. Really, really nice. I do like this one. Then the next one we got was Gold Dust, which is this one here. Super, super sparkly. Very nice. Then the next one we got was here, which was Banana Split. Now this was sparkly, but not as sparkly as the others. But as you can see there, it is still sparkly. Super, super pretty. Then the next one we had was Guava, if I'm saying that right, and here it is, which is another super sparkly one. Like the gold, but in this really, really nice green. Then the next one we got was called Forest Green. Ooh, if I can get it up. And this is what it comes out like. Again, super sparkly, really, really nice. Then the next one we got was this one, which is called Sun Kissed Orange. And then we had the two glitters, which I just mixed with a bit of clear acrylic to put it onto a swatch. We have number 39, Exotic. You know, so it looks just like it does in the pot. Really, really nice. And I think it goes quite well with the orange that they put in the kit. And then the other glitter we got was Treasure. And this is what it looks like. Very, very nice. So yeah, these are all the swatches. So we got a 2-ounce cover, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1-ounce glitter acrylics apart from this one, which is just a smoky grey, and 2 mixed glitters. And yeah, we got the lot for £50, which I think is an absolute bargain. It's a real nice range of colour, and they can all be intermixed and used together and just look beautiful. And as I said, I had no problems with them. They went on the swatch sticks really nice. The bead picked up wonderful. It polymerized really, really quickly. And even with a really dark colour like this, I had no marbling whatsoever. It was just really, really good acrylic to work with, and I would easily say I've only done a few swatches, but it's just as equal, if not better, than not polish. So yeah, I really like this brand, and the fact that it's in UK means it does not cost me an arm and a leg to get it delivered, because I live in the UK. So yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Please go and check it out. They have 3 different surprise boxes for Valentine's Day. This is the earth toned ones. Yeah, so definitely go get your hand on a bargain, because you can get all this for £50. As I said, this is not sponsored. I went out off of my own back and used my own money to go and get this kit to try it out. It is just my personal opinion, and I give it I say an 8 out of 10, because it would have been nice to have had a couple gel polishes. So like this glitter could have gone and say like one of the greens and put in 2 gel polishes. I think that would have just absolutely topped it off. So because of that, I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. Hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye.